Hello, and today we are looking at copy paste, cut paste. You may think it's something that you use all the time, but do you use your history and do you utilize the paste special? If not, then watch on. So in here, we have a document that I'm going to share with you. And this document is just in Word for now. Just to recap, we can take a paragraph, word, anything, and we can cut it and we can paste it into the bottom. We can obviously cut and paste a paragraph from anywhere to anywhere within Microsoft and elsewhere. And we can also do Control C for copy and Control V for paste, which keeps it in both locations. That's mainly used for when we go to perhaps another location. Now I've opened a new document and I've done a paste in there. Notice I didn't have to copy paste because it remains on the clipboard. What you might not realize is that if I click here, the actual history of the clipboard stays with us. So up to 24 last items are on that history of that clipboard. So I could put in other paragraphs that I've got that I've already copied. If you want to open your Windows history, Windows and V is the clipboard for the whole of Windows. So this is not just Microsoft, but that is the whole of your Windows. So you can always have that around. So it's like having a little clipboard that you put things on and then you pull it out. So either your Microsoft one or your Windows one. If I go into Excel, notice the clipboard is there and the clipboard holds things from your multiple apps, Outlook, Word, Excel. Don't worry if you don't paste straight away. It's on the clipboard. And you can see I could, if I wanted to, take some information from Word and paste it into Excel, vice versa. If I just take a little bit of information from here and I copy it, that will go into my clipboard. So I can now go back into Outlook. And when I'm in my document, then I can paste it in. But we have all of these buttons. Do you use them? So the first one is pasting with the source formatting. And as you can see, we can do OK. We can paste it with styles, which is looking at where we're at now, what it looks like. This one is looking at linking it. So it links the document to its original location. Now, you do have to be wary about that. It will refresh if you update the figures in the document, it will update, but you can't move the file between times and things like that. So you need to be aware. And this does the same thing. It links it, but it doesn't keep the styles in the same way. I love the picture option. In fact, what you can do is you can actually set your default paste if you want to, which would take you into all your settings and enable you to change your paste, that how you want it to paste in as. I recommend you do that if you often change your paste options. Now, this, of course, enables me to put a picture in. It's very easy then to move it around. And I can even use my wrap text with it so that I am looking at the way that the text interacts with the picture. So unless I want somebody to use it as a table or something like that, I will always use it as a picture. Normally, if you want people to update it, you'll be updating and sending them the link to the source file anyway. So it's a good way of pasting using the image. So just to summarize, Control C, Control V, we love and know that. But also look at the history clipboard. or you can turn on the Windows one using the Windows key with V, and you can also paste in different ways. Enjoy your copy paste. See you next time.